In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay CapCut Pro using GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect on each screen, and a few tips to make the checkout smooth and secure. Before we start, make sure your CapCut app is updated, your internet connection is stable, and your GCash has enough balance or linked funding. It also helps to be logged into the CapCut account where you want the subscription to live, so your Pro features unlock in the right place. Go ahead and open CapCut on your device. From the main screen, look for the profile area labeled Me, usually at the bottom right. Tap that and then choose Pro to open the CapCut Pro page. This is where you'll see the available subscription options, including what features are included. Now, choose the plan that fits your needs. You'll typically see monthly or annual options, sometimes with a discount for longer terms. Take a moment to review the price, the renewal cycle, and any notes about auto-renewal. If you're unsure, start with the shorter plan. You can always change later. Once you've decided, you're ready to move to checkout. Tap Purchase Now. On the payment screen, look for the payment methods and select the GCash icon. If this is your first time using GCash in CapCut, you'll see an option to add GCash. Tap that. The app will redirect you to GCash's secure verification page. Here, follow the prompts exactly as they appear on your screen to verify and authorize the payment. Keep your device handy, ensure your network is stable, and enter only the information GCash requests. Never share one-time codes with anyone. Enter them only in the official GCash window you see. After you confirm, wait for the success message. You'll be brought back to CapCut automatically. Give it a moment to sync. You should see your subscription marked as active, and a Pro badge may appear on your profile. If you want to double-check, try opening a Pro feature or exporting with a Pro template to confirm access. You may also receive a transaction notification from GCash and a receipt from the store associated with your device. If the GCash option doesn't appear, update CapCut and check your region settings. For declined TA, declined payments, verify your GCash balance or linked card and try again on a stronger connection. That's it. You've opened CapCut, tapped Me, selected Pro, chose your plan, picked GCash, added GCash, verified, and completed the purchase. Enjoy your CapCut Pro features and happy editing.